All right, ladies, so the official start of spring, it is just days away, and you know what that means. It's time to get a start on that spring cleaning checklist. The $5 dinner mom of 4, Erin Chase, who's also a Cleanfluencer for Allen USA, has tips for a quick cleanup. What are some of the ways to make those household jobs easier and to keep things clean and fresh after?
Belinda, I have an amazing strategy for your spring cleaning, and that is to go room by room, working from top to bottom. So the strategy just helps make it easier to get started and motivated in keeping going with your spring cleaning. I also like to have a caddy with me as I go through from room to room. I have everything I need right there. So like when the toothpaste gets on the bathroom counter or the spotty mess on the faucets, I have Arta Green wipes right there. I can just quickly wipe those messes right off for those kind of quick touch-ups. And then I, of course, use the caddy for, the weekly and the monthly cleaning, and of course the deep cleaning that we're going to be doing this spring. So we need to start up above. Your vent hood, your microwave, your cabinets above your stovetop are going to be a greasy mess. And we need to tackle that with Allen Original. 2 tablespoons in a 32-ounce spray bottle with water. Spray that, wipe it off. Allen is made with 5 times the real pine oil, which magnifies its cleaning power and makes it really great at removing the grease and the oil that's up there on your vent hood, your microwave, also on your stovetop. We're going to clean that really well with Allen. Moving further down, we're going to get the kitchen cabinets, the drawer pulls. The Allen does a really great job of cutting that food and greasy mess that's in your kitchen.
But what about those hard jobs that people just hate to do?
So let me share some of my not so favorite jobs. Baseboards, mopping the floors, and the soap scum in the bathroom. So with baseboards, I actually attach a microfiber cloth to the bottom of a broom, and then I'll spray Art of Green right onto the cloth, and then you sort of swipe the baseboards clean. I don't have to get down on my hands and knees, crawl around, hurt my back. It just makes it really easy to do that one task. Baseboard broom, quick, easy, and done. And then for mopping the floors, I like to use the chloralin disinfectant bleach, a half a cup of bleach and a gallon and a half of water. It does an amazing job of getting up all the dirt and the sticky stuff that finds its way onto your floors. They will be both sanitized and sparkling clean. So that's like top to bottom in the kitchen. And then my other least favorite thing, same approach in the bathrooms. And when I get to the soap scum that's in the shower, on the glass, the door, your bathtub, you're actually going to want to use fabric softener. This is a surprising one, so I like to use Ensueño Max fabric softener, 4 parts water with 1 part of the Ensueño Max. The soft side of a sponge, just wipe your door or your glass or your tub right clean. It comes right off, rinse it with warm water, and your shower and bathtubs are beautifully clean.
Where can we go for more information?
You can get more information about these great products and other cleaning tips at allenusa.com.